The Isle of Wight has over 140 pubs, and some of them have some amazing views. The Wood Vale faces due west, so you can often see the sunsets right on the horizon. The Folly has a long history. It was built in the 1700s on demand by alcohol smugglers. Next to the pub is a traditional boatyard. It was here where canoes that starred in the World War II movie Cockle Shell Heroes were built. The original canoes for the daring mission were made at Cowes, just a couple of miles away. If you are travelling on a budget, the sloop probably offers the best deal on the island. The wooden creek at the rear leads onto Fishbourne Harbour. Upon arrival, and if applicable, do ensure to register your number plate for unrestricted parking, otherwise it could spoil your day. Culver Haven is probably the highest altitude of this selection of pubs, 300 feet above sea level. This 1849 monument on Culver Down is a massive obelisk of granite set on a square base. It was originally on a site half a mile west of here, but was moved in the 1860s when the old site was acquired by Bembridge Fort. Culver Haven currently is not open 7 days a week, so do check their website for availability in advance. Just beyond the car park is a historic military site open to ramblers. It was used during both World Wars and was home to 2 massive gun emplacements. The Crab and Lobster is of personal interest as it was the very first pub I ever entered at the ripe old age of 9. I ordered a gin and tonic. Well, okay, a Pepsi. That evening we began to walk back to our chalet at Whitecliff Bay and almost got cut off by the incoming tide. So if you wish to try such a walk, do check the tide tables first.